Welcome to the Ottawa Kiosk tutorial on how to add additional information to your ad on Ottawa Kiosk. Please note that this is a self-serve feature and is added as a benefit to enhance your listing. When you bought your initial listing, it included your address, a short description, a long description, and your logo, which was added to your account. Pages is a self-serve feature. If you need help with this function, please contact your sales representative and they can provide you a package that allows us to add these pages for you on your behalf. Otherwise, you can add them yourself, and it's a very easy process to do so. So once you're on the home page of your Ottawa Kiosk Member Administration Control Panel, you can click on the Pages link right here in order to add pages to your account. Let's first go ahead and take a look at what the ad actually looks like on Ottawa Kiosk. This is what an ad looks like right here, and it has no additional pages to it other than the overview, which includes your long description here, and of course the locations. Let's go back to the administration panel and let's add a particular page to this account. Now, adding a page could easily be your menu, testimonials, services, and so on and so forth. It is important that you add more information in here because the people that come to your ad may have no idea about your particular company, and you're making a first impression to them to come and use your business. So adding more information there to help them trust your business and contact you, it's probably worthwhile to have a lot more information. I'm going to go ahead and click Add a New Page. Now, I'm going to explain each and every one of these fields. We'll start first by the name of this page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an About Us page to the listing here in Ottawa Kiosk. So this is the name of the actual button that will be created when I go ahead and add this page. The title tag is what search engines see. So instead of About Us, I might have About ABC Company Inc. as my title. Because having a title like About Us, when someone finds it on a search engine perhaps, it doesn't make any sense. But if they see About ABC Company, that makes a lot more sense. The position is the position of this actual page with respect to the position of other pages. So since I'm adding this as a first page, I can only really put one here. If I added, say, another page and I wanted that page to be number 1, then I change this page to number 2. Path is the actual URL of the actual page. And so it's the actual page name itself when you type it into your browser bar. So what I want to do is I want to call this the About Us page, but I don't want it, in this case here, I don't want it to have any spaces or special characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just call this page About Us, but it'll all be lowercase and all together. Now, the content here, what am I actually going to do? I'm going to go to the Ottawa Kiosk About Us page. So this may be your website like any other website. And you're going to copy the content from it as an example, or you can copy it directly from Word. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Copy. And I'm going to go back to the control panel here. And I'm going to paste the information within this window. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it. So it's taken all the information and all the coding on that page that I was just at, and it's added it in here. So it took in the bolds, the links and whatnot, but the links may not actually work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to disable all the links here. So if I click on it, this link here that says google.com, there's a button here called Insert Edit Link, and there's a button here called Unlink. So I'm going to click Unlink. I'm going to go ahead and unlink all the other links here because this is the Ottawa Kiosk website, and the links that you have on your website may be linking directly to your own pages without referencing your own website. So it will probably end up in error once you've pasted it in here. So what I'm going to do is I've just removed some in here, and by checking on some of these, it allows me to see that it actually goes somewhere else, where this website here is going to Canoe. This one here is going to, I can check it here just by clicking on the edit link. It goes to CanadianKiosk.ca. I don't mind leaving those there, so I'm going to just put that in here. Now, before adding this page, I'm going to go ahead again just to remind ourselves what our current page looks like on Ottawa Kiosk, or our current listing. It doesn't have any other page other than the overview and the locations. I'm going to go ahead here and add this page. And now it shows me that I've added this page. I can, of course, delete it, or I can edit it. And it shows me it's in position number 1. If I add a new page, I can deem it to be position number 2, so on and so forth. So now that I've added it, I'm going to go here and refresh my listing. And there you go. Now there is an About Us link right here. And if I go ahead and click that, it'll show me that I've actually added this information to the ad on Ottawa Kiosk. And so when a new potential client comes and sees this, they can get a lot more information from me right where they are, rather than going directly to your website and clicking through a bunch of links. Maybe you might want to indicate to them the services or testimonials, or if you're a restaurant, you have a menu, you can put your menu here, and it's very easy to update. If I wanted to update the information there, again, all I have to do here is go back to the administration control panel, click on edit, and suddenly, just like Microsoft Word, I can go in and change any pieces of text that I want. I just type directly into it. And that is the tutorial on how to add pages to your listing.